In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to cancel your VidIQ subscription. Begin by navigating to the VidIQ web application. You can find it by clicking on the link on the description. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you're accessing the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. After logging in, locate the Cancel Subscription option. You should find this at the bottom of the page, possibly under Account Settings or Subscription Details. Click on Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation process. Upon initiating the cancellation, VidIQ will present you with a downgrade wizard. This interactive guide is designed to walk you through the steps necessary to cancel your subscription effectively. It's crucial to follow the instructions provided by the downgrade wizard carefully. The process may include confirming your cancellation, providing feedback, or choosing to downgrade to a different plan. Once your subscription is cancelled, you won't be billed for any future subscription fees post the currently billing cycle. However, be mindful that VidIQ may not refund the remaining time in your current billing period, depending on their refunding policy. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this